Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we will discuss about the copper and silver and their properties. So, when we talk about the copper, as its symbol is Cu, and this is a picture of the copper. So, we use the wires of the copper that may help in the conduction of heat as well as electricity. And the mass number of copper here we have it is 63.5 gram per mole. This is the simple picture of the silver. Symbol is Ag, and the silver is known as due to its silvery color. So both these are copper and silver are known as the noble metals. Now what are their properties like physical and chemical? Let's have a look on it. First one element which is copper. Copper is a good electrical conductor. If it is electrical conductor, then it can be used to make the different types of wires that may be used in the houses and for different domestic as well as different industrial uses. The second is it is a good thermal conductor. Good thermal conductor means is also helpful in the conduction of heat as well. This is a simple picture of the copper we have. Third one use it is accretion resistance. It means the place where we use the copper. It is resistance to heat. It do not get crude. And fourth one it is antibacterial. Means it avoids the bacteria, so can be used as antibacterial substance. Fifth one use we have it is easily joined with the other things. So this is the main property. It can be used as an alloy with the other substances. As an alloy with the other substances, and alloy is a substance in which one metal get combined with the other metal and changes into the hard substance which is called as an alloy. Then the sixth one use it is ductile. Ductile means it can be easily drawn into the wires that is helpful in the conduction of electricity. Then it is tough and hard. It means it do not get cut easily with the simple knife or something else. It is tough and hard. It is non-magnetic. Non-magnetic means it do not get attracted towards the magnet. So this is also a good property of the copper. It is having attractive color like this. You can see that here this picture is too much attractive. Like the color of the copper, its color is also a shiny golden color, and this color is also known as the copper color. Easy to alloy. Easy to alloy means we can easily combine one metal with the other metal and changes into the alloy. This process of making of the alloy is known as simply alloying. It is easily recyclable means if it get used by one way then it can be used again by changing its shape or by simple processes. The last one use it is catalytic. Catalytical mean it is used in the chemical processes to increase their rate or to increase the rate of chemical reaction. It can be used as a catalyst for many processes. Then we have properties of the silver. The silver as it is soft. It is a white metal with a shiny surface. This is a picture of silver. It is the most ductile and the most malleable metal. Ductile and most malleable metal mean can be easily converted into wires as well as it can be converted into the sheets. So this is called ductility and this is called the mallet and conducts heat and electricity better than any other element. So it is a good conductor of heat as well as electricity. Then the silver it can reflect the light very well. So surface, its polished surface can be used as a reflector of light. So here we talk about the oxides of the silver. When the silver changes into its oxide, a very thin layer of sulfide will form over its surface that really makes it a unreactive substance. So, under normal conditions and atmosphere, the silver do not affect or do not be affected, but it started to tarnishes or changes its color in the presence of sulfur containing compounds like gas H2S, which is hydrogen sulfide. So being a very soft metal, it is rarely used. We basically use its different types of alloys with the other substance that may be used for different purposes. So let's have a look on the uses of the silver. The silver, first one use, it is used in the making of the awards in any award ceremony. It is used in the making of coins and also as an investment. It is used in the making of the silver mirrors and the silver glass. It is used in the brazing and the soldering processes. It is used in the making of the engines. It is used in the making of the electronics. It is used as in the formation of energy apparatus or the energy things. It is used also in the medicines. It is used in the photographic film. The photographic film also contains the silver bromide. It is used in the making of the jewelry and the silverwares. And silver is also having other uses like it is used in the process of many chemical productions. Like silver can be used in simple chemical processes. So all these are the uses of the silver. Here we have the word brazing and soldering. Basically, this is the process of joining the metals, and the metal parts are different joined, and further it is used for different mechanical and different electrical bonds for further processes. So metal is joined to the other metal, process is brazing and soldering, and this is the use of silver. Here we can use the silver. This was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand. If you have any queries, you may ask me about that. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the gold and platinum, its properties and uses. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.